party was the best.
Yeah, it was, but we have to go get ready.
Time we meeting for photos.
5 Archer Park.
Okay, that sounds good. We'll see you there.
All right, see ya.
See ya.
Thank God.
Quit whining, let's just go.
You're acting kind of weird.
Yeah, I think he was drunk.
Yeah. Come on, let's just go.
It'll be alright.
Ah.
Come on, just let me drive.
No, I'm
Yes,
fine.
you're not in the condition to drive.
I'm fine.
Let me drive.
Oh my God, is she okay?
Through the windshield. Help! Somebody help!
We need help. She's not breathing. Dominique, I told you he was drunk.
I didn't know he drinks all the time.
How you doing, man? Pretty good. You? All right. You back in? Yeah. Smell a little bit of alcohol in your breath. You got anything to drink tonight? About what time? Step on the vehicle. You don't have anything in your pockets, do you? All right. One back here. All right, sit right here. So you had 2 beers about 30 minutes ago. Yes, sir. You wrecked your truck into a telephone pole. Yes, sir. Okay. What I need you to do is take a series of tests for me. Do a sobriety test. You think you can do that? Yeah. Is there any medical reason why you wouldn't be able to do that? Yes, sir. What you do first is you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. You understand? Okay, talk about that. Okay. Sit back from the vehicle just a little bit there. Now what I want you to do is put your hands down to your side. I want to explain the test to you, but I don't want you to start until I ask you to. Do you understand? So go ahead for me right now and put your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Again, I'll explain the test to you. Don't start until I tell you to. I'm going to take a series of 9 steps. I want you to call each step out loud. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Once you get to 9, I want you to turn around, just like this, with your foot on the ground. Take 9 more steps in the direction that you just came from. All heel to toe. Hands down to your side, count them out loud. You understand? So, all right, start the test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands down to your side. The next step, I'm going to have you stand on one leg, okay? Just like last time, I don't want you to start the test until I ask you to. What I'm going to have you do with 1 foot off the ground, each foot of your choosing, doesn't matter. Point your toe and look at it. While looking at your toe, count out loud for me. 2001, 2002, 2003, just like that, okay? Continue counting until I tell you to stop. You understand? Yes, sir. Okay, go ahead. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. All right, based upon my observations of your test, it appears that you're under the influence of something. You said you had 2 beers earlier, so. All right. Hands right back. Sit right here up against my car. Alright, friend. That's why you realize you're being charged with operating a motor vehicle under the influence. You understand? Yeah. You know, if this girl dies, you could be looking at a murder charge. That's all.
What's your name?
Logan Lane.
Got anything on you?
No.
Stand up. Don't have anything. What's in your pocket?
Oh, this my phone.
You just lied to me. Empty your pockets. What else you got on you?
Nothing else.
You just come in lying to me, so tell me what you got.
Nothing else.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Come over here. Spread your legs. Don't move. I'll take a sign of aggression. So you got your DUI?
Yes, sir.
First one, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Been drinking?
Yes, sir.
Not partying a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Prom time, ain't it?
Yeah.
Thought you had a little fun, 18 years old, starting out,
Yeah.
boy county jail. Welcome to the real world, son.
What about the girl?
What girl?
The one that was with me?
You was driving with another person in the car.
Yeah.
You crazy?
No.
I heard she's pretty bad off, man. Oh, let's go.
Don't you know my daddy?
No, I'm your daddy now, son. Stay out there. In there and lay down. Sleep it off. I'll let you know about the friends you was with.